Welcome back to CodeApex, your go to space for mastering Salesforce and cloud tech from scratch. In today's quick session, we are breaking down cloud services, infrastructure as a service, platform as a service, and software as a service in the simplest way possible. Let's start with the basics. What even is cloud computing? Imagine you don't need to buy or maintain heavy physical servers anymore. No huge machines, no space, no hassle. Instead, everything you need, whether it's storage, computing power, or even apps, lives in the cloud. And from anywhere, your mobile, your laptop, or even your desktop, you can connect to it in seconds. You only pay for what you use, just like electricity. No setup, no maintenance headaches. We have three layers: IaaS, PaaS, and SaaS. Let's break down the first layer: IaaS, or infrastructure as a service. Here you get access to core computing resources like virtual machines, storage, networking, and load balancing, all from a cloud provider. Resources can be easily scaled up and down. Let's take a real world example. Think about those days when exam results are released. You open the university website and it's not responding. It crashes. Why? Because 10,000 students are trying to check their results at the same time. Normally, that website gets just a few hundreds visits a day, but on result day, the traffic shoots up like crazy. The server gets confused, so many requests, it doesn't know which one to respond to, and boom, the site slows down or crashes. But what if the college used IaaS, infrastructure as a service? With cloud infrastructure, you can scale up your resources just for result day. More servers, more computing power, more bandwidth. And once traffic goes down, you can scale it back down. No need to keep paying for high power all year. This is the beauty of IaaS: scalable, flexible, and cost efficient. You rent infrastructure based on demand, just like turning on more lights when guests arrive and turning them off when they leave. But keep in mind, you're responsible for managing the operating system, installing applications, updating security patches, and handling your own data. It's like renting a fully empty apartment. The structure is there, but you have to furnish and maintain it. IaaS is best for developers and businesses that want maximum flexibility and control. Common examples of IaaS providers include Amazon EC2, Google Computing Engine, and Microsoft Azure Virtual Machines. Next comes PaaS, or Platform as a Service. This time, the cloud provider gives you a ready to use environment, including the operating system, runtime, middleware, database, and web servers. All you do is write and deploy your code. You don't have to worry about setting up servers, managing infrastructure. Think about it like getting a fully furnished apartment, just move in and live. Great examples of PaaS include Heroku, Google App Engine, and even Salesforce platform. In Salesforce platform, we'll be using Force.com. Force.com is the platform where we'll be coding. In PaaS, we just have to manage the applications, data, and rest will be managed by the service providers. And finally, SaaS, or software as a service. This is the most complete package. You just log in and use the software over the internet. Everything from infrastructure to code to updates is handled by the provider. You don't install anything and there is zero maintenance from your side. It's like staying in a hotel. Everything is already ready and you just enjoy the service. Some everyday examples of SaaS include Gmail, Zoom, Canva, and even Netflix. IaaS gives you a raw infrastructure like servers and storage, and you manage most things yourself. PaaS gives you a ready-made platform, no setup needed, just write your code and go. SaaS is fully ready to use software like Gmail, Zoom, or Google Docs, no coding needed at all. The beauty of cloud computing is that you only pay for what you use, and it scales when you need it most. Whether you are a developer, a business owner, or just curious about tech, understanding these three models helps you speak the language of the cloud. If you learned something new today, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.
I'll see you in the next one.